Prior to this video, we set up our hoops with rebar to visualize the layout and footprint of the greenhouse. In today's video, we will be showing you how to permanently install the bottom PVC frame for building the end walls and the doors. Once we get the bottom frame secured and permanent, we will go over the doors and window options. Finally, we will show you how to secure your plastic in the most efficient way. So let's get started. Next, you're going to get your slip tees. We have 7 hoops here, so we need 7 slip tees on the bottom. We're just going to slide those on. So what we're doing now to make this frame fit around the gravel here, the gravel frame, we're going to extend our 20-foot pipe by a few inches and then hook it into our elbow. Alright, next we took all the pipes down. We're going to be cutting all the extenders off with our Sawzall here. After you've cut those all off, you can come up with a razor blade, kind of clean up the edges. What we're doing now is we're spacing out the slip tees. So we started here at the end, and it was 34 inches to make it perfectly even on all the slip tees for the arches. Alright, now we're just attaching the corner on the other side. Two slip tees on as well on this side. And getting ready to put the ridge beam in. To align your slip crosses and your slip tees. Alright, so what we're doing now is measuring for the entryway. We had just decided we want a big door on this end, so we're going to do a doorway here that will allow us to come down into the slip tees down at the bottom, and so we're going to see how that works out. Now they're going to be making an angle on our ridge beam that's going to be matching the arches for the doorway. So this is going to be the top of our door. So we're going to cut at an angle just like so. We measured our door, and we're going to be cutting 2 links for the sides at 74.5. Now we'll be placing our hinges. Now we'll snap clamp it on these edges here while we cut extras so we can roll it, get it really tight. We can always trim off, but you need to have a little bit of excess so you can roll it around, get it tight like that, and then put your snap clamp on. Bottom half of the door. Now I'll put our window in. Snap cross up top. This allows us to disconnect, open our window, come back up, snap back into the door. Now we'll let the short guy do it. Alright, so next we're going to do is we're going to secure the outer edge here on the front, get it all snap clamped in and secured, and then we're going to get the arch cover and snap that over that because we want to be able to roll the sides of the archway, the hoops, up, so we need to have them separately clamped. So we'll take a look. We snap clamped all these. Now on this edge we're going to fold it, get on a nice angle right here, pull some of the slack, pull it down so we just have enough to curl it under. Alright, so now what we're doing is we're pulling the tarp that covers all of the hoops themselves. And we're attaching it overlapping. The reason we're doing that is we might want to roll up the sides of the tarps to ventilate horizontally. So we want to leave this cover and the main cover separately using the easy clamp, snap clamps, to go over the top and secure the other tarp that goes over the main body of the arches. We're going to do that all the way over, and we should be done with this side. We're cutting off the excess on the other side here. We can start our draping. That side over there is completely done at this point. We're just cutting off the excess on this main strip, and we'll be putting on the next sheet. Next, we're cutting a piece for the other side that will be cut into 3 sections. What we're doing here is making kind of a side door, and this other middle spot is going to be able to be rolled up and access to this small shed here. So from the greenhouse, you can walk straight through into the shed here, allowing this side to be open and this side to be permanently closed. This project is a variation of our 1 1/4 inch PVC greenhouse kit. Normally you would have a window or vent on this side of the greenhouse, but for this particular project we needed a large access for wheelbarrows and tools. You can always customize the design for your needs. We have a fittings kit available to build a similar greenhouse as this. For more PVC ideas like this, follow our YouTube channel or our blog. You'll see the URLs in the comments below. If you would like to purchase some of our products, go to our website at www.circoinnovations.com. Thank you for watching.